I would like to express our chief guest, Mr. Madhupal, film director, cine actor, and the screenwriter for accepting our invitation even in his busy schedule. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to express our gratitude for Reverend Father Dr. Prem Kumar, the secretary, correspondent, and of our college for his mind-blowing speech. Thank you, Father. I may like to express our sincere thanks to Reverend Father Dr. Eshudas to your kindful words. Thank you, Father. We also would like to acknowledge our gratitude to our hostel director, Reverend Father Josephine Raj. Thank you, Father, for your kindful words. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record the hearty thanks to the principal of our college, Dr. A. Lenin Fred. Thank you, sir, for your grateful words. I also wish to express my gratitude to our director, Dr. N. Austin, for his encouraging words and his support for all the purpose of Marfesta. Thank you, sir. Finally, I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to the staff and the student coordinators and all the judges and all other students who came from various institutions for participating and this made this function extravaganza. I want to thank our great volunteers for their help in capturing audio, video, and still photographs for this event. I cannot thank everyone for their involvement and their willingness to take to the completion of tasks beyond their comfort. Sir. Thank you all.
ஏழை என்றும் அடிமை என்றும் எவனுமில்லை. ஜாதியில் இழிவு கொண்ட மனிதர் என்பது இந்தியாவில் இல்லை. வாளி கல்வி செல்வம் எய்தி மனமகிழ்ந்து கூடியே மனிதர் யாரும் ஒரு நிகர் சமானமாக வாழ்வமே என்று பாரதி பாடிய இந்தியாவை நோக்கி மாணவர் நாம் நடையிடுவோம். இப்போதும் இக்கலை விழா போட்டிகளின் நிறைவாக நாம் எழுந்து நின்றே நாட்டு பண்பாடிடுவோம்.
We hear the national anthem for our country. I think it's the best feeling we ever had. I request all of you to rise up for the national anthem.